Lindabradley from Princess House here. So I have a new layaway package for you tonight. Surprise, surprise. I'm always making up new packages. Sometimes I just sit at my desk and scroll through the book and it just hits me. And I have a really special one for you tonight. So I'm very excited about it. So this is our high power blender. And this is an intense piece of machinery that is going to make your kitchen tools jealous, because this is the star of the show. It's incredible for many reasons. It has an oversized, I think it's 86 ounces vessel, so plenty of room for whatever you want to make. It has 3 already pre-programmed different timers. So one of them is for smoothies. You know, a lot of people are trying to eat better, so that's what they do. They have the smoothies. You can put spinach and kale in it and all that stuff, and it tastes delicious, and it's so good for your body. So smoothies is probably the #1 reason why people use a high-power blender. There's also one for dips and spreads, and I've definitely made hummus. I've made homemade pesto. It's really great for that. The one that always amazes me is the one for soup. So you can make soup that comes out hot soup in 7 minutes. It's just amazing. I've made broccoli soup, I've made butternut squash soup, sweet potato soup. There's so many different ones to do. You'll find that when you go to use this, it goes from all 4 corners. It just mixes perfectly. It comes with a tamper as well, so that if you need something that's thick, right, you can mix it, so the tamper helps you with that. It's even easy to clean, because basically what I tell you to do is, once you're finished whatever you're making in it, just go ahead and add a tiny couple drops of dishwashing detergent, put your warm water in it, and run it back through the machine for a minute, and it basically just cleans itself. You can also use the pulse, and you can make your own. You don't have to use one of the pre-programmed. This is especially nice if you make any kind of, a lot of people make their spices with peppers, right? You'll make a pepper type of a spice, and so this is good for anything like that. So the high power blender is an intense item. It's been our #1 seller since it was first introduced. It's been out for, I think, 3 years now. Excuse me. It's in the catalog for $549.95 plus tax plus shipping, and it's been #1 all those years. So it's on sale right now for $429. Then you have to add tax and shipping, but I have a better offer. So this is the deal. I have a layaway offer, and you can get this for just 10 payments of $40.36 each. And that is paid in full, including your tax, including your shipping. You're going to get your high power blender.